Alright, well, this is your boy Cody. And me and Babe got these new bouncer balls. We just trying them out. When you shoot them, they bounce a direction. Wherever they bounce at, then that's where you're supposed to shoot them at. See? These little things right here. They made out of hard rubber. They really little balls. And wherever you shoot them, we done already been shooting them, but wherever you shoot them, they're supposed to go bounce or roll anywhere. So wherever they roll it, then that's where your next target is. But babe, what we doing?
Hey world, I'm usually the one who's recording, but I'm on the video right now. So, safety first. I got my ears on. I left my glasses. But we're finna go ahead and up here.
My bad.
We're finna go ahead and try to shoot at these balls. All right, world, we finna get into this video.
All right, yeah, okay. So we doing best out of 12. For sure, I got that Taurus G2C. Babe, what you got? She got that Glock 19 Gen 5. All right, that's what we finna do. We finna do best out of 12. See who hit the most. Y'all ready? Ready, babe?
We ready.
We ready?
We ready.
Let's go.
Ladies first.
Go ahead, ladies first.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Ready?
Go.
First shot.
First shot. Ooh, you missed it.
I did good yesterday.
Ooh, I missed it. Ooh.
I picked it a little bit.
Yeah, he tipped it. He tipped it. Damn, right above it.
We suck.
Yeah, we suck today.
Yesterday was better.
Shit. Go ahead.
What's going on with us? We did better yesterday.
I don't know we did. Hey,
Okay.
it's alright. That's what practice made perfect.
I'm gonna do it for real today. Cap.
You close.
Was that too high or too low?
Too low.
Okay.
That's one.
Okay. On the fifth shot, I think.
Yeah. That's the fifth one.
Oh, come on, Nisha.
Ooh.
Maybe I need to.
That's two.
I'm gonna come back a little bit. Maybe I can't see.
Ah, a little too far. I mean, you a little too close. My bad. You shot a little up. Damn, I shot over it. You gotta at least put one on the scoreboard. Come on, baby, you got it. A little too close. Ooh, I nicked it. I tipped it.
If I can do it now, I can't do it with one hand. Just gonna pull me back.
You never know. Ooh, okay.
Thank you. Finally won.
Yeah, I'm telling baby, I finally won.
One.
Yeah.
Woo.
Ooh, I tipped it.
All right, we'll try this one more. Let me get at least three.
At least three.
I gotta focus.
Ooh. You almost hit it. Damn, I shot a little too far. I mean, a little too up close. Yeah, you were so close.
I seen you when it came out.
It feel like you rushed it on that one.
I did.
I nicked it.
Oh, I think this may be our last one.
Oh, you close. You close. Popped it. That's three.
I got one.
Okay, that's two.
And
You got the last one.
man, that was on the
Last shot, last kill. Last shot, last kill. Okay.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Come on, man. I got
Let me
two.
see if I get my last shot, last kill. Oh, I went through it. I hit it.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
You tipped it a little bit.
I did. Man, I went through it.
No.
You don't think so?
Huh?
You ain't gonna count it. You don't think so? You think I
No, I
tipped
don't
it?
count. If you tipped it, you
All
didn't hit
right.
it, you tipped it.
All right. All right, well, so that's it. I just wanted to do a quick little video on these toys we just got. These new little shooting toys. It ain't nothing but hard rubber. When you hit the bullet, it either bounce or it'll roll. Let me show you. See? That's a spot right there that we done hit. You see it? Literally, this mother hard. See, here goes another one. There goes another one. They just hit them down, do nothing to them. You can shoot these mother a whole lot, and they'll still be like this. We're gonna have to get more practice on them. But, babe, how you like them?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
You get a 10 out of 10?
Just a little bit more practice, and I got you.
Got you. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Anybody else out here done this before? If you know, let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Okay.
More videos coming soon.
Oh, my
More
bad,
videos coming soon. I'm not done. More
Okay,
videos
okay,
coming
okay.
soon. Y'all let us know what y'all want to see. I know we already got some dogs videos, but now we trying to, you know, step
So
it
you
up.
gotta get the gun tape going.
Yeah, we gotta get the content going. So
Yeah,
let us know
we
what you
going.
want to see, what y'all want us to do, you know, yada yada yada. But we're gonna be out. Peace.
All right, yesterday it was me and Baby, and that's my boy, me and Daddy. We both got these Taurus G2Cs. Cuz, what you working with?
Come on, man. We got these G2, all black, 9.
Come on, man. 9mm G2C. We got the same thing. So we're gonna see best out of 12. Same thing. Like me and Baby did yesterday. We're gonna see who can hit the balls the most out of 12. We're finna see. Let's get it going. Cuz, you wanna start off? Go ahead. Ooh, my boy didn't get it. My boy didn't get it. That one. Ooh. That's 2. Damn. You almost had it. Oh, that's 3. I missed it. So you going too far over. I got 3. Ooh. 2. Almost. You was almost there. Damn. I got 3. Ooh, 3 out of 12. Cuz, how you feel, cuz? my boy. It's alright, man. We're gonna work on it, man. We just wanna do a quick little video. That's it. Alright, I won that round for sure. 3 out of 12, my boy. And 0 out of 12. It's alright though. We can do. Hey, we're gonna get it again.